Nice here at night time, honey. A mini Christmas light.
Yep. Nighttime's not for another 3 more hours though. Union Station. The front runner might actually stop there, I'm not sure. Might be the last, it's the last stop in Ogden. I think it goes to North Ogden. This is Central Ogden. I'd like to go inside there. See the old Union Station.
Yeah. Traffic. Good.
There's the Ogden Bridge.
Oh, a bike there in the top.
This goes the other part of Ogden. They have a minor league baseball team here called the Ogden Raptors. And it is right over here.
Yeah, good there.
It is. I can't turn. The car's right next to me. So you can see the mountains in the background. Hotels.
Courtyard here.
A lot of place to eat here.
There's the church.
Is that the church?
Oh, no. Look like a church.
There's all the eateries. Okay. There's the church. Or is it a church? Looks like a church, but maybe not. It's an old building. Let's see if there's a sign in there.
Arrows.
No, it's not. Here we are, Washington Avenue, Ogden. Some pretty nice old buildings here. Going to, I think, 25th Street. There it is, downtown. What's this guy doing? There we are. This is the famous downtown avenue, eh? Big Christmas show here.
Yeah.
They have Christmas lights and Santa Claus, all kinds of things here.
The small house.
And there it is. Okay, that's it. What else do you want to say? Ogden's mainly the whole town. Let's go up to the south of it. Is that the mall? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's the mall. One up from Sears. There's a steakhouse, Longhorn Steakhouse. You like steak?
No, I not like that stick.
Barbecue.
Master. What's that master?
Burlington Mall. Burlington.
Burlington Mall.
Okay, where to keep right. Yeah, you need a coat? They have a lot of coats in there. There's Dillard's. They have a lot of clothes you might like. The Ogden Mall. They have a Sears in here still. They haven't closed Sears yet? Or they closed the Sears down in Salt Lake City. They closed it. Something that was open back in the 40s. They closed it. this already. Yeah.
What is it?
Mr. Mac.
It's gone now.
Going there, what is it?
We'll go to Sears.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Sears.
It's up.
I'm gonna go to Sears.
Yeah, we'll go to Sears.
Go to Sears now?
Oh, we're just gonna pass by it.
Why?
Why not?
I want to go inside.
Boring inside.
Boring?
Yes.
Why?
What are you looking for?
Oh, there's the police.
Big bump.
Where? Behind me?
Right there.
Parking.
All the police.
How about About Time Pub and Grub? Nobody outside. Too cold. The air conditioner's still working? Okay. Pretty boring.
Petmore.
It's a boring mall.
Petmore.
Where?
Right there.
Bit more Rose,
I
RJ.
don't see Petmore.
Staple have no pit mark there.
Stick. Petmore. Stick.
Yep.
You want to get a pet? You go to Petmore, buy food and toys. You got a pet dog? You have to walk him. You ever see people walk a dog? He's got a collar on and a big long leash. You hold the leash and you walk down the sidewalk. Make sure the dogs stay out of the street because they don't know. They get hit by a car. They're not smart. They're not know. You're smart. You keep them safe. Keep the dog out of the road. You put him on leash. You hold the leash. You be your protector, right? You be the master.
There, in and out.
Is that what you want?
No, I not want that. You go to Chili's.
This is the way to Honda dealer.
Yep. 7-Eleven.
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden.
Waiting
Right
there. Look outside.
there. Bed Bath Beyond.
West. Dirty West.
Del
Oh,
Taco.
Panda Express there, RJ.
Panda Express.
Mommy likes that. Rice.
Yeah, I like that there.
Noodles and Tupperware. Is there noodles and Tupperware?
Noodles.
Rivendell.
And Toyota.
Rivendell Arby's.
Buffalo Wings, RJ.
Go down to car dealers.
Arby's.
Kia. There's the Honda
Kia.
place.
Rosas Front.
Kia.
Kia.
Honda.
Yep.
Cherries.
Where?
Where, RJ?
That's it.
There.
And that's it.
Tell me,
Chili's.
right or left?
Yes.
Left. And that's it.
GC.
James.
Oh yeah, Chili's.
Where?
That's it.
I not see still RJ is in the left. You're very good, RJ. You see it, RJ?
You're a miracle man.
Kuya Kuya.
Smart boy.
I not see that, RJ. Chili's. There is big.
You
There.
see it now?
I not see that before.
Target.
Where's Target, RJ?
Target so far away down.
Oh, there. You will see RJ there, honey.
Yep.
Far away. Target. Wow. Very good, RJ. I not see that, RJ.
Cherries.
Yep. Honda. Where's the Honda?
Chippy
How
you.
come we didn't know that Chili's is right across the street from Honda?
you.
How many
Yeah.
times we come here, you know?
Chippy you.
Right?
Yep. Here's the Honda, RJ. Next to the Chili's. I have. Verizon. Oh, have everything here. Chick City. Eh? Chick City.
Old fashioned car.
See, see. See?
Old fashioned car.
Yeah, you see it?
There is Chili's.
And that's old fashioned.
That's the 1920s, OJ.
Chili's.
Almost up. So.
Chili's. Here, you go inside, RJ. We eat here.
Where's the door, do you know?
That door.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh boy, look at all the people that hit this. So,
There is nice.
go turn that one on, go.
have Christmas light.
Okay, to the right, the red button.
Where's the red?
Get it, hurry up.
Daytime.
Wow, with the full moon, you get that? You got it. This is nice. What do you think, RJ? You like it?
No, I didn't daytime.
You like the daytime better than this? Are you kidding me?
No, the camera needs a daytime.
Not like daytime.
Even nighttime?
Look at that, RJ. Nice here, RJ. Nice in nighttime. Have mini Christmas light.
Need to, look. When you're like this, it's feeling all the bumps. You need to put it in your hand, let stabilization take over. So downtown Ogden, all the trees lit up. Nothing but... Oh, there we go. There's the tiny restaurant. This is where we went to our Christmas party here one year, remember?
Yep. Look at that, so nice. We'll have Christmas tree. See, RJ, wow, look at that.
Wow.
Wow, so nice there.
These are all taken.
Yeah. Wow, look at that, RJ. Look at this, so nice, bright light.
Everyone's parking in here, so
Yeah.
take the house dead end.
Yeah.
Not much that is, a lot of money. There's the other part of Ogden.
Yep, I have no Christmas light here. Stop light.
I'm gonna do a loop. Wait till I get back into the loop.
Okay.
Okay. Today, Washington Avenue.